Thanks for stopping by the Tom Auto Channel. Today's Saturday, May 1st. We're up here doing some prep work for some pretty big jobs we have for next week. Let me show you. We have this 014 Isuzu NRR. It's owned by Pappas Pumping and Septic Services. It's got the 5.2 diesel, and we're going to be doing a turbo replacement. And there's the prep work in progress. On this side of the shop, we have Sam Corey's 03 Excursion. It's got the 6.8 V10 gas, developed some knocking noises, missing on a couple cylinders. So we've decided to put this crate motor in from Ford. Come on back here. We have Rayanne Martin's 97 Subaru. It's got the double overhead cam, and it's developed some head gasket issues. She's going to be graduating from Fairfield, Idaho on her way to college, and we don't want her to have any problems, so we're going to help her out. And thanks, Ma, for the no-bake cookies. And that brings us full circle. Really, today, the purpose of my video is that my business is located in the Wood River Valley, which has the cities of Bellevue, Haley, Ketchum, and Sun Valley, in which the controversial video that Nate Sylvester made mocking LeBron James. Good job, Nate. Now, LeBron can take that tweet down, but you know what? Come on, let's be honest, the damage is done. So anyway, we have a First Amendment right, and Nate had every right to make that video. And one thing that's going to make this thing controversial is that we have public servants and some of our residents here in the Wood River Valley that took a knee for George Floyd back in June 2nd of 2020. Why don't we get together and take a stand for Nate? You know, to suspend him? You know, until the NBA and the LA Lakers reprimand LeBron James, Nate should be out on the street. He should be protecting this great community that I get to enjoy. And you know what? We need to stop worshiping at the altar of political correctness. Hey, and speaking of PC, I made a video last week on the new computer that we had that tested positive for a virus. Well, we reran the test, and it showed a false negative. Go figure. What I got to say is we need to get back, plug and play, and get back to work. I hope you enjoyed this, and be watching for some upcoming videos. If we, after a year, we're going to be getting back on that Lincoln Mark 8 with the 4R70, and we're going to do a full-on show on that one. So be watching out. Go ahead and like, subscribe, and ring that bell, and comments are always welcome. Enjoy your weekend. I'll see you on the next one.